Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit dip. To begin, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Make sure your cream cheese is softened, which helps create a smooth base. You'll also want powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and of course, your favorite fresh fruits. Having everything ready makes the process quick and enjoyable. First, in a medium bowl, beat your softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and free of lumps. Next, slowly incorporate the powdered sugar, mixing it in a little at a time. Then, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating the mixture until it becomes light, airy, and perfectly fluffy, creating a fantastic base for your dip. As you mix, remember to frequently scrape down the sides of the bowl. This ensures all the ingredients are fully incorporated, preventing any unmixed pockets. Once combined, give your dip a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, you can add a little more powdered sugar. The final consistency should be smooth, creamy, and easily scoopable. Now, transfer your delicious fruit dip to a pretty serving bowl. Arrange a vibrant assortment of your favorite fresh fruits around it, like strawberries, grapes, and apple slices. For the best flavor and texture, chill the dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Then, simply enjoy this delightful and easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.